New tonight at 10, now that Springfield and Greene County are making steps toward reopening, you might be wondering why some places are asking you to wear a face mask and others are not. Our Madison Heaver spoke with the health department to find out more. She's here to explain the difference. Madison?
Heather, we got a question from a viewer about why some places in Greene County require masks and why some don't. So I talked with the Greene County Health Department. The current order says only personal care services need to require a face mask. That's things like getting your hair cut or getting your nails done, meaning it's not required by city or county order for you to wear a mask when going other places. The department says, however, if you do wear one, to make sure you're also following other guidelines. So if you've asked yourself why the health department does not wear masks during their briefings, it's to make sure the message is clear.
It's just really hard to hear through a microphone with a mask on. And again, cloth face covering is a personal decision. It's not something we're requiring of everyone aside from those personal care services. So it's just one of those where we want to make sure, especially right now, the communication is really clear, that we are making sure everyone can understand what we're saying. We have an interpreter there to make sure that our friends in the deaf and hard of hearing community can also understand what we're saying. So we want to make sure that those folks who read lips as well have that option.
The health department also says if people don't follow recommendations for social distancing and washing hands, there could potentially be a resurgence in cases.
Certainly, being around more people, not keeping up with 6-foot distancing, not having good hand hygiene or respiratory hygiene, that certainly puts us at risk. Our sincere hope is that we continue to see numbers that are really low, and we feel cautiously optimistic that we have maintained flattening that curve. It doesn't mean that the illness is gone, and it doesn't mean that we shouldn't still be taking it seriously as something that could potentially reemerge.
In an exclusive poll from Nexstar Media and Emerson College, people from 3 states were asked how comfortable they felt with certain places opening after the stay-at-home orders were lifted. More people in California and Texas don't feel comfortable eating out at a restaurant, even with some spacing, but Ohio was about 50-50. As for gyms opening, more people in all 3 states weren't comfortable heading to the gym. And if you'd like more information from this poll, you can find it on our website, ozarksfirst.com.